I think we can compare the size of it.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a slim Coca-Cola can, and if I compare this, it's shorter, and the thickness is around the same.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, then how about the mini one? Sorry, the mini one. Oh, it's pretty mini.
Yeah.
Okay, the
Even
thickness.
even smaller.
Yeah, even smaller. Cool.
Okay. Okay, let's. Could you help me to
Okay.
push this?
Let me help.
Yeah. 1, 2, and 3. Right.
Kasun, do you know what's this?
So it is again aluminium bar to conduct heat.
Oh, I see. So it's for the heat management.
Yes.
Okay. Let me see. Okay. The antenna port. Yes. Oh, this two screw is for the for this metal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, all right.
All right. So, okay. Right. Let me. Yes.
You unplug this one. I unplug this one. Okay.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Right. So. So okay. I will. Yes. This is the our Coral 26 top. Sorry,
Hailo. Okay.
Hailo.
This is the M.2 connector.
M.2 connector, and
Okay.
also
Can I use other MPU?
yes, you can use deep X as well.
No, I mean, so for example, if I wanna, I have the need to scale up or down the computing power,
Yes.
which means that, for example, if I want to use 13 tops or all the way to
You mean the
like 200 tops.
customization?
Yes, customization.
Yes, of course, we can
Oh,
do
okay.
that. Yes.
Then it support different MPU.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is that CM5 computer, and also we can see the antenna interface as well. You can connect this slot for the wireless connectivities as well. And let's go to the back side. Yeah. So you can see USB ports, USB Type A and USB
For
Type
USB camera or other USB devices. Okay.
Yes. For C, USB Type C, and power and Ethernet, and 2 standard HDMI's, right? And this one is another again mini PCIe slot for a different what do you call that LoRa connectivities.
Oh, okay.
And also 4G connectivities. You can adapt this. And this one for the SSDs, you can connect SSDs as well and boot from SSDs.
Okay.
Right. So yeah. So
how about this?
So yes, this is the SIM card slot.
Okay.
SIM card as
okay.
well. Yes.
And this?
This is that there are what do you call that the in case here.
Okay.
So there are LED indicators.
Ah, okay.
So you can power or users and the connectivity is working on.
Ah, okay. So it's for status.
Status.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes. And this one for the cooling fan. Right. I will talk about cooling fan later.
Okay. Yeah. So how you? Yeah. So you're going to show us like how you guys manage the heat, right?
Heat. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Right. So we have actually kind of that do multiple heat dissipation solutions were designed, evaluate through the simulations considering.
Okay.
Yes.
I think I have prepared this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. That's what I mean.
Okay.
So what we have done is radiator structure and copper tube layout optimization, and also PCB device layout optimization and airflow path optimizations.
Okay.
Yes, each solutions was analyzed for the temperature distribution and cooling efficiency.
Okay.
So, which means this leading to make us to find the optimal thermal solution.
Okay.
So, key advantages I need to mention first here. Why we, that you already mentioned this is a Coca-Cola size, right?
Okay.
Yes. So, why this kind of solution is important to us, because we need to efficiently components manage, right? So you know that CM5 and the Hailo is the main heat sources. So it's
that's this one.
Yes.
You're talking about.
Yes.
This two there
These
and the
two.
main heat generator.
Generators.
Okay.
Yes. And you know that so we position this on top of the PCB like this, right? And to minimize the thermal part to the radiator and enhance the heat conduction.
Oh, okay.
Right. So optimal radiator design. So this is the radiator, right? Design.
Okay.
So we have an active cooling pan.
Okay.
But you know that you can see there is no pins and low for the low airflow.
Okay.
Right. So the heat is generating components are placed in like this left and right side in the
okay.
PCB. And pinned area.
So you kind of match the pin.
Yeah.
Position.
Yes.
Okay.
So pin area for the high airflow improves the heat dissipation efficiency.
Have you guys conduct any tests? So after you find the optimal
yes,
design in the simulation.
Yes, could you please yes, that part. So we have actually tested for low temperatures and for the high temperatures as well. It is very well with standards for those kind of harsh environments, right? So you can see in here even in minus 20 Celsius degrees. And also for 60 degrees. So which means that it is with standards for very harsh environments as well.